Lucifer love's taking many forms. Trustworthy eyes had the devil horns. Praying on the weak, are you feeling tough? Praying on my knees, have you had enough? I held my hands in the air and you held a knife in my back. You always say that you care, but actions speak louder than that. Broken promises, broken point of view. Broken thoughts on all that you put me through. All that aside, I kept trying with you. You crossed the line trying to break me too. Really nothing else left that I can say. Lie every time you look me in the face. Believing you is my biggest mistake. It's about time we break the ties, set them ablaze.
That motherfucker played. That's crazy. And then me right here.
Paint this whole shit. Put like 2.
Hey, Shawneil, you gonna line it up?
What? Let me see something real quick.
He said, let me make sure ain't no extra on there.
We might be alright. I don't see no pulleys on that bitch. We might be alright.
Oh, shit.
Might be alright.
Damn, I like them wheels.
This shit so hard, bro.
I fuck this bitch crazy.
That wheels is insane.
Yeah, I like them wheels.
That wheels is crazy.
You say what? It look what?
It's hood fly as hell.
Oh, I like them yellow headlights.
Nah, he's pretty good, but he Tokyo drip there for sure.
All right. Yeah, that bit clean.
Let's get the hood, man. Hey, I get this hood right here. Look at this hood. They got a bed in that shit.
Well, we got everybody in here, you know, all the BMWs, you know what I'm saying? More BMWs, you know what I'm saying? More BMWs. I see this nigga everywhere I go. What's that, your sub? Having a good time? Alright, so we got Rock Track Hulk, know what I'm saying, 101 wide body. Quan with the McCleasy, got one door open, we don't know why. And then you got Shanio, the only Hellcat to make it to Dodge's page in Atlanta. The only Hellcat with the Hellcat on the side to make it to Dodge's page. This is my first time seeing it in person, and yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, that thing clean, buddy. Yes, sir. This wide body, nasty though. Rod did his thing with the wide body. I got Quan to open the doors on it. Crazy. You see it. You see it. It ain't the little one either. How I feel to drive McCleasy?
I don't even know. I just be in that bitch. I feel like I'm that.
Oh yeah, how that Lambo feel though?
I love that shit. I be in that bitch moving.
Oh, he aired it out. Oh, he set it down. Where your bumpers, cuz? They got the carbon hood up there, I see you. That be loud as fuck. Is that the same one that was at our shop?
Hey, your dog roll up.
No, I'm talking about your boy.
Oh, yeah. The right way.
No matter how many times you put on the flyer, no revving, no burnouts, it's always them couple. Well, they're like midnight club. Damn. Damn.
That sound like a dog fight.
God. TV commercials.
She getting bigger than big, man. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, us in the way. Now we following that bit. We gonna see CTSV over there. I ain't gonna lie, come on.
No lie, I left just in time. Right when I was pulling out, the police was pulling in. So that's perfect timing. I'm telling you, I have black senses. Like, I be feeling that shit, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Look, 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 look. Look at him. I left you, woo, out of there, baby. Something be telling me, go on, get out of there, bro. And I be like, all right, bro. And I dip. Hey, we out, cuz. But yeah, if y'all like this video, please leave a like, thumbs up, whatever y'all want to call it, a comment, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.